Now guys, look who come on my side of the water. Look at that. Topdrop don't mind who gets on the boat, baby. Magic Mike out here. What's going on, man? Top of the morning. Hey, go on, hop on, Bubba. We're about to get it in. Yeah, awesome, awesome. He's just waking up, Mike. He on there now. It's either that or grass. It's a bass.
They eat it like this. I guess that's what they want. Head first. Look at that. Guys, when they eat it head first like that, you know what they want. Hit them with the old Jimmy Hill and let them ride. Let's get it.
There you go. I learned this from Kevin Van Dam. Oh, look at that crappie, Mike. Oh my God. Slabs? You want a sandwich?
Slabs out here. Check that thick old guy out, guys. He got his whole nose poked a few times too. Oh, look at that slab. Hit him with the old Jimmy Hill. Hey, I would eat this. He lucky I ain't in the fish mood.
Yeah. Uh-oh, I'm on it again, Mike. You got them bastards stirred up. He's sitting right there. With the leaf.
Tagging them, guys. Hit them and let them go. Dinks. GoPro highlight.
I guess it's getting mad down there too. Oh, here we go. You coming after it. Eat it. Eat it, you bastard. Ah. Uh-huh. I was waiting on him too the whole time. There he gone. He had one hook in him. It was pounding some change.
Right there. Come to the front. You come to the front side. I'm gonna go to the back.
I want you catching fish.
You on the boat.
There you go. There you go. Come to daddy, Bubba. Oh! Put on a show for Mike. Go on and put a show on for him, Bubba. Go on and put a show on for him. Damn, big old pickle. That boy wanted to twerk for you, Mike. He knew you was here.
Man, I see what it feels like to be crappy curls in the back. Ah. Go.
You get him? There you go, Mike. Get him in the boat, Mike. Them pickles. There we go.